If you want to send money quickly and conveniently using Ria at Walmart, just head to the Money Services Center or customer service desk in any Walmart store in the US, Puerto Rico, or even Mexico. Make sure to bring your valid photo ID, such as driver's license, passport, or state ID, to complete the transaction. Let the Walmart associate know you would like to send money via Ria. Via Ria, also called a Walmart to Walmart. They will guide you through entering the recipient's name, country, and pickup location, then help you choose the amount and pay with cash or debit card. Once you pay, you will receive a receipt with a reference or tracking number and the pickup location details. Cash pickup is usually ready in about 10 minutes, perfect when someone needs money fast. Fees are straightforward. Sending 0 to $500 costs 2.5 cents in 2.50 dollars in store. 501 to $1,000 cost about like $5, and 1,000 to $1,300 cost you $10. Your recipient simply goes to the designated Walmart or Bodega Herrera location, shows their ID and receipt or tracking number, and picks up the cash, usually within minutes.